Namaskar, good morning. You're watching the Morning News Hour and I'm Swati Joshi. Three prominent private schools in Delhi received bomb scare today. The Delhi police along with fire teams have followed the standard operating procedure and completed the search there. Senior officials say information was received regarding a bomb. Bomb disposal squad was also deployed and fire tenders arrived in the spot as well. Search is currently underway. Sabyasachi is getting us more details. Sabyasachi, what are we picking up in terms of where these threat calls came from and what are the officials saying now?
Well, absolutely. See, a threat email has been received by multiple schools here in the national capital. Right now, we are reporting live from the Sanskriti school here in the national capital. The alerts has been received by various schools like the DPS Vasant Kunj, DPS Dwarka, Mother Mary School in Mayur Vihar and several other schools in the national capital. Now, the SOP has been followed by the Delhi police. The Delhi police team along with the team of the fire brigade have reached the spot. Now, the thorough search of the schools are underway. What we are picking up from the parents is that the students have gone inside the school. The search has been completed and nothing has been found, but alert has been issued as the Delhi police is carrying out searches in various schools here in the national capital.
Absolutely, Sabyasachi. This is what, of course, the officials are saying at this point of time. Searches are currently underway. But what are you picking up in terms of, the timing of all of this happening? Is this just a hoax call? What are the officials saying while trying to track it back to the source, to who these individuals really are behind it?
Well, absolutely. See, till now, the officials, though they have not revealed whether it is a hoax call or not, but the Delhi police have said that they are following the SOP. The fire brigade team, along with the Delhi police top officials, have reached in the various locations, like at the Sanskriti High School here in the national capital, the DPS Vasant Kunj, DPS Dwarka, and the Delhi police is carrying out the searches. Now, what we are picking is that the parents have been saying that the situation is under control and the police have thoroughly checked the school premises.
Also, take us through the timeline. When were the calls received? What was the procedure followed? Was the school vacated immediately? Because, this is a time-consuming process to inform the parents and to manage them as well. Clearly, there must have been a lot of panic.
Well, absolutely. See, some of the emails has been received at around 4:30 a.m. in the morning, and in some of the schools it has been received at around 8:30 in the morning, and that is when an alert has been issued to the Delhi police, and the Delhi police immediately reached on ground with the anti-bomb squad as well as with the fire brigade team. Meanwhile, the Delhi police says that the SOP has been followed and the situation right now is under control.
Right, so these are schools located in Delhi NCR region, not just the national capital, but the national capital territory as well. This is what we are given to understand. And bomb disposal squad is present on the spot. Sabyasachi is getting us live reports. Behind him, we can see deployment of the police officials as well. There clearly must have been a lot of panic once these, emails were received. Parents were informed accordingly. Sabyasachi is telling us that the standard operating procedure has been followed and the searches are currently underway. Not just the bomb disposal squad, but the fire tenders were also rushed to the spot. There are images coming in, visuals coming in, Sabyasachi, of the parents picking up their kids and taking them from school.
Well, absolutely. See, earlier the message was the parents was taking away their children from school. But right now the school authority also told the parents that the situation is under control and the classes can resume. Meanwhile, you can see there is huge vehicles who have been lined out outside the school. Some of the parents who are still inside the premises of the school, they are still standing. But the police officials say that the situation is under control and the SOP has been followed by the Delhi police and the bomb cell has been, anti-bomb squad has been reached at the spot. Meanwhile, the parents are currently at school and the school authority continuously announcing that the situation is under control as the Delhi police have thoroughly checked entire school premises.
Yes, Sabyasachi, stay on with us. As we discuss the developments, we're given to understand that there's some breaking inputs coming in and that DPS Noida has also received a similar threat. This is a statement coming in from the school itself. DPS Noida has confirmed that they've also received the threat. And Aditi is getting us more details on that. Yes, Aditi.
Right, we have the message from the principal's office from DPS Noida after the threat has been received. They say this is to inform you that the school has received an email that threatens the safety and security of the students. As a precautionary measure, we are sending the students back home immediately. Private commuters, please arrange to collect your child from the school premises as soon as possible from the respective gates. Thank you for your cooperation and understanding, principal's office. This is the message coming in from DPS Noida.
Right, Aditi, thank you for getting us the details. Let's go back to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, like I said, these are not just schools located or situated only in Delhi, but in and around Delhi as well. Now, a confirmation coming in from DPS Noida as well.
Well, absolutely. See, the threat has been received around multiple schools in the Delhi NCR region. Now, yes, some movement is taking place out here as the Delhi police is cordoning off the route which leads to the Sanskriti High School here in the national capital. Meanwhile, you can see the parents and the children are still inside the school premises. Huge deployment of Delhi police is on ground, and what we are seeing that the Delhi police is cordoning off the route which leads to the Sanskriti High School. There has been severe movement after the threat has been received by the Delhi police, and the Delhi police on ground has been active. They have thoroughly checked.
Sabyasachi, stay on with us. We in fact are joined by Yash Kashyap, who is a parent. Yash Kashyap जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका, and thank you very much for speaking to us. Can you help us understand कि पेरेंट्स को कैसे इन्फॉर्म किया गया? पहले ये भी बताइए कि आपका जो बच्चा है वो कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ता है?
DPS Noida Sector 30.
जी, Mr. Kashyap, when did the school inform you? What were you told?
No, actually, fortunately, मेरी daughter एक अपना activity parcel forget कर गई थी, and I went to school to drop that. And when I reached on the gate to deliver the parcel, they told me there's something going on. Then I called up my wife, and then she told that she's got a message that there is a bomb threat scare, and you stay there only. And the gates have been closed. The kids are inside only, and they have called the buses back to drop the kids. But so far there is no clarity. There are a couple of policemen I can see inside. Bitter 10.
Okay, we just were told that a statement has been issued by the school in which the school is confirming that there is a threat and that they asked the parents to take their kids back home. क्या आप सभी को ऐसा inform किया गया? And do you see other parents also there? And did you get a chance to speak to them as well?
No. Yes. There are a lot of parents here now.
तो स्कूल की तरफ से आप
little clarity because how the kids will go, because those who avail the buses they have been going for the buses only. So parents को भी बुला लिया गया है with the message because I see the parents whose kids avail the buses like me, but still confusion कि वो हमारे साथ जाएगा कि बस में जाएगा.
All right, Yash Kashyap, thank you very much. Thank you very much for speaking to us and taking those questions. Sabyasachi continues to be with us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, we just spoke to a parent who is also confirming that such a situation that we are talking about at other high-profile schools in Delhi, like Sanskriti School has right in Noida as well. And the parents have been informed now to take their kids back home, but there's no clarity being given.
Well, absolutely. See, straight away show the visuals out here. The parents have been asked to take away their schools, to take away their children back home. And you can see that is the reason why there's a huge crowd of the parents who are inside the premises of the Sanskriti school. They're waiting to take back their children back home. Now, the Delhi police have followed the SOPs out here. Immediately, they carried out the searches here in the school premises. The anti-bomb squad was also being brought in. The fire brigade team also reached the spot, and after thorough check, now the information was given from the school authority to the parents to take home their children. Meanwhile, the school authority also says that the situation is under control as the Delhi police have thoroughly checked the entire premises of the school. Meanwhile, it raises an alarm because we had seen that not only in one school but several schools across the Delhi NCR region have received this threat email at around the same time between 7:30 to 8 a.m. in the morning, and that is where the threat email was received by the several schools here in the national capital. Meanwhile, the top officials of the Delhi police also have reached out in various locations here in the national capital, as well as the Noida police is also at the school premises. They have also told the parents that the SOPs has been followed and the entire premises of the school has been thoroughly searched by the Delhi police and the bomb squad.
All right, Sabyasachi, stay on with us. I believe we're joined by Priyank as well. Before we take updates on what the cops are saying, let's quickly go across to Aditi. I believe she has information from other schools as well. Yes, Aditi.
Right, Swati, we have the confirmation now coming in from Mother Mary School, which has also received a bomb threat. Here is the message that the school has sent out to parents saying, "Dear parents, an email was received this morning regarding a bomb threat in school. As such, the students are being dispersed immediately as a precautionary measure. You are requested to kindly collect your wards from your respective bus stops. On footer, parents are requested to kindly come and collect their wards immediately. The bus route in charge will keep you updated about the movement of the buses from time to time." This is the Mother Mary School sending out an alert to parents and saying that evacuation is immediate. So kindly come to the school, pick up your ward and leave.
Right, so statements